to get the points or the boundary point of your shape file, of any shape file, boundary shape file. Actually I have this boundary shape file which I have extracted from Google Earth. You can watch my previous video in which I have shown how to extract some boundary area, and from this boundary area we are gonna extract point GPS points. How to do that I'm showing, so watch this carefully. First of all we need to have this boundary point from either you get it from Google Earth, or you might have been provided by someone. In this video, first of all we need to we need to search, open the search bar. If you want to open the search bar, your in Windows tab you get table of content, catalog, source, and image analysis. For search bar you need to press Ctrl F. Here you can see that Ctrl F will automatically open the source window to search for data, maps, tools, etc. I'm gonna press the Ctrl F, and I've pressed Ctrl F, open the search window, and here we need to search for the vertices. After searching for the vertices, feature vertices to points will be appear in the first. Then we need to click here, feature vertices to points, and here input feature is your boundary area, is your forest area, or either the of your shape file polygon. This is polygon, either of a polygon which you want to extract the points. I'm clicking this Ranivari forest area, then here press OK. Now we have inputted the feature, and then here finally we have got our GPS points. And we are gonna export this data. Right click here, data, and then export data. I'm exporting this data, Rani Bari points, and map as layer S. I'm just removing the previous one. Remove this, and let's open this attribute table by right clicking, control plus double click, and for opening attribute table, control plus T. It is showing that select this, and control plus T will open the attribute table. This is shortcut key, and here we get point Ranivari forest area and no GPS points. Now we are gonna add GPS point on this. You can watch this, and there is no GPS points in this. Folder path is folder Ranivari forest area KMZ, and name forest area, and this is points shape 5 shape, this is point shape. And we're gonna add GPS points. Add GPS, add XY source, add XY by opening the source window. Previously I'm guided this one, and in the second one that will appear. We need to click the second one. Okay. Add the points field at point XY and point XY. For this item description, if you click here, it will show the item description. Let's see what I have this written. Illustration: add XY coordinates, point X and point Y. It will show the point X and point Y. Simply this is the Python script. Now we're gonna do this task. Add XY coordinates. I'm just clicking the second one. I've clicked the second one, and toggle window appeared. This window running by points. I'm inputting this feature, and OK. Now we have got the XY coordinate. Let's see. Okay, if you don't have the attribute table, then Control plus T. It will avail the control table. I have already applied. Here look at this. Let's see. look at here, point x and point y. This is showing in decimal format because the coordinate system is set on decimal form. So I'm changing the coordinate system properties in the data frame tab, layers, in right click, go to properties, and then gonna select this coordinate system, apply, then okay. Now I'm gonna calculate this geometry. Now again calculate this geometry. This down arrow will show up. Select this and click right and calculate geometry. Calculate geometry, then yes, and here use the coordinate system of the data frame. Select this, and here for x coordinate of point property, for x coordinate of point decimal degrees unit. This must not be decimal degree, this must be in meters. Okay, yes. Now this is x coordinate, and now for y coordinate calculate geometry. Yes, again same here, y coordinate of point and in units meters, and okay. And now we have x and point y, then export this and browse the file folder where you wanna save. I'm browsing the folder. Here I'm the saving, save as type. You need to save as save as this save as type. This must be in text file format .txt. This must be in text. This will appear like this, and I'm gonna give this name GPS or boundary point, then save save. Okay. No, do you want to add the new table to the current map? I don't want to add this. Okay, no. And here I have the point. Okay. uh, I have the point, and here this is the boundary point. I'm gonna open Excel. My Excel has opened up. Now I'm gonna add that data in here, data tab, get data from file, from text or CSV. Now from the where I'm open browsing the folder where I have saved it. I'm gonna click this on boundary point of import. Load. Now 34 rows have been added, and I'm gonna delete all of these which I don't need. Delete, and this is deleted. Delete. Okay, and delete. There are 34 points of this, and I have got the GPS boundary point of this area. Thank you for watching, and in this way you can extract the point of your, and you can label this number randomly point by going to properties, and here labels, select the labels, and here FID. Okay, now it has been labeled. Thank you.